In this video, I'm going to look at how to use your graphics calculator to solve two equations. So in this case, we've got y equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 10, and we've got y equals negative 2x minus 10. So we've already got them in a good format to put in the calculator, but if you haven't, you can rearrange and get into the format that you need with the y equals. If you can't, if it's one where you don't have y equals, sometimes you can rearrange it and get the all over to one side and say 0 equals, and then you can use your y. And if you were just solving one on its own, you could look where it equals 0. But in this case, we've got it in the format we need, and so we can put that into our graphics calculator, into the y equals. So we've got our y equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 10, and we've got our negative 2x take 10 there. So just scrolling in a little bit so you can see that. So then I'm going to hit my graph, and there are my two equations. Now I want to find out where they cross. So I'm going to first put my trace on, and what I can do is I can move that and have it on which of the intersections that I'm interested in. So if I want to find the first one, I try and put my cursor as close to that as possible. Obviously I can't get exactly where it crosses. Then I'm going to do second trace and select the intersect option, and then I can just press enter, 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 and it will find that intersection for me at that point that I'm looking at. So I can see that it's x equals minus 2, y equals minus 6. Then when I want to find the other time they cross, I just move my cursor over to the next one, and I can see there already that I've got the x equals 0, y equals minus 10. So I know that's what it's going to be, but just to show the process, I've got my cursor in the right position. I do my second trace and my 5 for intersection, and then press enter, 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 and it gives me the 0, negative 10. So you're just moving it into the position that you want and getting the calculator to find that exact value for you. Now that can work with a lot of different situations where you're trying to solve where two lines cross, or when two things are equal, with your simultaneous solutions, etc. So it does mean that it makes it a little bit easier to solve those types of questions. Hope that was helpful to you, and that you can use that for your graphing in the future.